Hello everyone, and welcome to our DIY motorcycle maintenance guide. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, knowing how to maintain your bike is crucial. Today, we'll cover 7 key maintenance tasks that you can easily do at home. Let's dive in. Oil and filter change. First up, changing your oil and filter, a simple but essential task. You'll need a few wrenches and an oil filter wrench specific to your bike. Remember, warm up your motorcycle before starting. This makes the oil less viscous and ensures a thorough drain. Also, be cautious not to over-tighten the filter or drain bolts. Coolant maintenance. Next, let's talk about coolant, especially for those with liquid-cooled bikes. Typically, you should change your coolant every few years or around 20,000 miles. But always check your service manual for specifics. Remember, change the coolant when the bike is cold to avoid burns. Brake maintenance. Brakes are crucial for safety. Replacing brake pads and flushing brake fluid might sound daunting, but with some patience and guidance, you can do it. Just ensure you follow the specific instructions for your motorcycle and don't forget to wear gloves as brake fluid can be corrosive. Chain maintenance. For chain-driven bikes, keeping your chain clean and lubricated is key. Use a paddock stand for ease, apply chain cleaner, and scrub away the grime after drying. Apply lubricant. Also, regularly check for wear on your chain and sprockets. Slip-on exhaust installation. While not essential, installing a slip-on exhaust can enhance your bike's sound and performance. It's a straightforward task involving removing a few bolts and a spring. Remember, no fuel management changes are needed for slip-on exhausts. Tire care. Tire health is non-negotiable. Check for proper tread life and inflation. An under- or overinflated tire can affect handling and increase wear. If you're comfortable, you can save on labor costs by changing your tires at home, though it requires some effort. Battery maintenance. Lastly, knowing how to maintain your battery, including checking voltage and jump starting, is invaluable. You can diagnose starting issues, charge your battery, or wire in accessories with ease. Closing. And there you have it, essential maintenance tasks for every motorcyclist. Remember, this isn't a comprehensive guide but a starting point. For more detailed instructions, always refer to your service manual. Stay tuned for more beginner-friendly content, and happy riding!